Hello, this is a little demo of the prototype I've made of a alternating current water sensor. The aim is to hopefully reduce the corrosion that we'll see on the water probe. So here I've made a soil moisture probe out of a PCB, and in here I'm testing it in a container of water. So the idea is I'm going to use the AC sensor to drive a pump, one of these low voltage pumps you can get off eBay, to move the water from that container to that container, maybe simulating automatic watering of plants or whatever application you've got. Then I've got a potentiometer that I can use, so a comparator can compare the resistance of the probe versus against the reference resistor, which is 1K in this instance. So I'm passing 6 kHz square wave through the reference resistor, through a blocking capacitor, which is 0.047 microfarads, and then it passes through the probe to ground. And it's the blocking capacitor that creates the AC above and below the ground reference. So let's see it in action. If I turn the pump on, the pump will empty the container until the circuit senses that the resistance of the probe is increasing, and you'll see an LED would change and the pump shuts off. And you can adjust the level with the potentiometer. So I just move that a small amount. You can see that the water level will reduce until the resistance of the probe matches the reference resistance. I've also got an analog output, so it's outputting 1.3 volts at the moment at that level. Change the reference again to lower the level, and you see that the water level is going down and it stops. And you see that the reference voltage, the analog output voltage has changed as well. So you can set the level at which this water cuts off so the pump doesn't run dry like it has just there. So you find the resistance that you want for whatever application you're doing. And if I pour the water back in, it'll pump it out again. There we go, the pump shuts off.